Umaga. Your jawline has a sharpness of 26. Okay. Why? Will do. Walk the garden outside. Okay. What? Outside door. Satisfying. Wala, kailangan ko tumalon. Wait lang. Ito na yung mog. Kailangan natin i-press. Uy! Talk to Grandpa. Yung mga mog ko si Grandpa. Ay, diba? Grandpa. Jawline check. 34. Okay. Mugging. Okay. Mug the lemonade. Mug the lemonade. May secret dito, te. Uy. Sino yun? Girl. Try ko nga, Mog. Hello, who are you? Oh, I'm good. Bye. Ba't bawal? Imog yun. Lo. Try tumog nga. Hindi ko na mamog. Boy, may part 2 pa to, boys. Wait lang po, boys. May parts. Bye-bye po. May part 2 pa po to.